do our duties for the societal benefit. And women, they are 50% of the population, but their representation in science, technology, engineering, mathematics is not at par. It's not the case in India, it's world over. You can see that if you count Nobel Prizes, if you count Bhatnagar Awards, the awards that have been given to women, they are minimal. I think the ratio is maybe 20:1. I'm just saying offhand, it may not be factual. So there is a need, because we know that until and unless you give women equal representation, anywhere, not only in STEM, anywhere, if you don't give them equal representation, the society is going to suffer. It's not that if you put 50% of the population at disadvantage, and this at disadvantage is societal, structural, and the academic institutions, the other parts of the administration, they are part of the society. So everybody has to come forward and to help women to come forward, so that we have better generation of women, and then women in science in particular. So this is an effort by University of Jammu. There are so many initiatives that university has taken, because we understand we don't have only academic responsibilities, we have societal responsibilities as well. So this is one more additional step in that direction. Rest perhaps.
Anju ji.
So good morning to everyone. So as Professor Jyoti also mentioned, this basically is a conference which is organized by University of Jammu in collaboration with the Jammu and Kashmir Science, Technology and Innovation Council. And in this particular thing, we are trying to understand, we are trying to look into the progress of the scientific careers, inequalities and discrimination that continue to thwart our potentials of the women. And that is what we want to see. We want to see that they do not remain at the ground level, but they also reach to the top, and we want to provide them a platform where they can discuss their problems, as well as they can also talk about the scientific temper which they have built, and they can be role models. For example, there will be a interaction between our well-known scientists and who have reached on the top, and among them and our young researchers, so that they have an understanding that these women are the role models, and we can also reach, we can break the glass ceiling which is there. So this is very important, and this is an effort which is done by Jammu University. And this is also an effort which is also done by the Indian Science Congress, which happens every year. And there is a regular feature of Women's Science Congress, and now it is being done by the Jammu and Kashmir Science, Technology and Innovation Council. And Jammu University is taking this forward, and especially on the day of the International Day for Women and Girls in Science. We are inaugurating this particular function, and so that we provide them a platform for as a congress, as a training program, so that we must and we can promote the girls and women in science. So that is the basic idea behind this whole concept.
At the outset, I express my sincere thanks to the media persons who used to support Jammu University always. And this time also, in the early morning, I would say for media people, 11:30 is the early morning, but you have come for this press conference at a very short notice. So on behalf of the Jammu University, I express my sincere thanks once again to all of you. And also I appreciate the organizing committee who is organizing this Women's Science Congress on the day of International Day for Women and Girls in Science. And the objective of this has been categorically explained by Professor Anju Bhasin, Professor Jyoti and others. I would say that yatra nari pujayante ramante tatra devata. हमारा वो देश है जहाँ नारी को इस रूप से देखा जाता है, और I would differ with that discrimination. I would not say discrimination, but no doubt Indian Science Congress as well as the Indian Academy of Sciences Bangalore a few years back decided to promote the women scientists in India, whether the fellowship for that is concerned, whether the INSA, Indian National Science Academy Fellowship, National Academy of Sciences, NASI Fellowship, or NAS Fellowship, or Indian Academy of Sciences Fellowship. So special emphasis is being given in India to promote the women scientists. The objective that has been categorically specified also is that to dissolve the boundaries of the subjects. The Department of Zoology is organizing, or biotechnology is organizing, or botany, or biochemistry, or physical sciences, chemical sciences. This time we have dissolved that boundaries so that a platform would be provided to the young researchers, girls, to share their ideas and to see that what is going on in other departments, how they can collaborate with each other. Not only that, dissolving the boundaries of the subjects, we are also trying to dissolve the boundaries of the institutions. So one institution can collaborate with another institution. So the idea of having this science congress is to provide the platform to the young researchers so that they can collaborate with the other institutions, they can collaborate with the other departments, and this is the objective of having this Women Science Congress. And also I appreciate and express my sincere thanks to Science and Technology Jammu and Kashmir for extending all support to the University of Jammu to organize such a congress. So if you have any questions particularly, you are most welcome.